Hello, I'm Jan from Advacam's technical support, and today I will show you how to establish Ethernet connection with your WidePIX device. So in general, after you plug in all the cables for the chiller and for the power, you need to set up the network correctly for the WidePIX to communicate with your computer. To do this, you open the network settings. Then you select your Ethernet port, go to Properties, select the IPv4 protocol, Properties, and then you use this option to specify the IP address. Our devices in general come with a factory settings that is set to 192.168.1, and then the device has 100 at the end, or 101 and 102, etc. if it's a multi-segment device. So generally this number has to be something else. So let's say 150. For the subnet mask, you fill in 255.255.255.0 and then click OK. Close and close, and the connection should be set. When the settings is done, you can simply open PIXset, and the devices should come up like this. In this case, the IP addresses of this device are 192.168.1.200 and 201. You check all the devices you wish to connect and click OK. After a while, the devices load up and they are displayed in PIXset. If you wish to change the network settings of your device, you can do this in any internet browser. You just simply, when the device is connected, enter the IP address of your device. For example, 192.168.1.200. And then this network setting pops out. You can change the address, the mask, the gateway, and also enable DHCP and auto IP settings. However, if you change any of these IP settings, the connection with the device will be lost, and you will need to establish another connection. For example, if I change this IP address like this and click Update, there will be a pop-up warning that says that I will need to change the address of the device to enter the settings again. To do this on Linux, you simply go to Settings, Network, click the network options, IPv4, and specify the IP address and the net mask. Other fields are not necessary. Then you click Apply. To do this on Mac, go into the Settings, System Settings, Network, and then find your IPv4 connection. This might be different for a different Mac you might have. Set up IP, and you need to configure the IPv4. Then you set it manually with the address shown before, 192.168.1 and 150. In case you forget the network settings of your WidePIX, it is possible to restore the device to the default factory settings. To do this, you need to connect power to your device, and then using a needle, press a button that is next to the Ethernet ports, here or here, and hold it for about 30 seconds.